Everything we see today started as a thought in someone's mind before it became a reality. The Mall of Oman is one such marvel. An architectural masterpiece in the heart of Baushar, Mall of Oman is the latest addition to luxury and lifestyle spaces in the country. Sticking to the true culture of Oman, the mall brings with it a touch of history, entertainment, and a retail experience that elevates customer satisfaction. Today, OER Live sits down with Mr. Hussam Al Mandari to talk about what makes this a different experience for all alike. Mr. Hussam Al Mandari, thank you so much for sitting down with us today. OER Live would like to start by congratulating you on what is essentially the biggest mall in Oman.
I think it's a great achievement for Majid Al Futtaim. After 20 years from starting the first mall and opening City Center Muscat in 2001, we are here in 2021 talking about Mall of Oman. It's a great achievement having opening Mall of Oman, which is the biggest mall in the country. We're talking about 140,000 square meters of GLA, which is pretty high compared to all the existing trading GLA in the country. Mall of Oman is a complete different experience when you talk about retail. To be able to open a mall of in this size during a pandemic and the challenging restrictions that we've been going through Oman, I think it's a great achievement for the company.
So when it comes to highlighting some of the key aspects of the Mall of Oman, you've got the Dino World, you've got the Snow Park coming up. So what are the expectations from the people and how have you met them so far?
Expectation in all our shopping malls is driven by our vision. Our vision is about creating great moments for everyone every day. The Dino Park that you talked about is something that all the family members have been enjoying. It's been blasting the social media with different coverage. So these are the elements and the kind of activations that we keep on creating. We just covered the Vox Cinemas, the biggest in terms of number of screens in the country, and some unique experiences that we have in Vox Cinemas that do not exist in the other Vox Cinemas in the country. So having an IMAX and a gold kind of experience. So Mall of Oman will be elevating the experience of retail in the country, and definitely leisure and entertainment is a very important factor that we look at in terms of creating the acceptance of all the families and visitors and residents that come to Mall of Oman.
Absolutely. Now we're expecting to see the Snow Park open soon. There's not a set date yet, but is there something you can tell us that we can look forward to in the Snow Park?
It's going to be amazing. That's what I can say right now. We're not talking about the opening dates at this moment. We just got an opportunity to bring the consultants to review and assess the situation and come up with the right dates of the opening. But we're all looking forward for the Snow Park. It's going to be amazing, as I see, and it's going to add a complete different experience in Mall of Oman.
Can you talk about some environmental certifications, if there are any, and some of the environmental initiatives, green initiatives that you have taken, and CSR initiatives as well?
Yeah, so Mall of Oman is a LEED Platinum. LEED Platinum is international certification in terms of sustainability, health and safety. Achieving this is a great achievement for the company and for Majid Al Futtaim. We're really proud and we take that very seriously. We have net positive target to be in 2030, and building such malls with sustainability KPIs is something that we work very closely. In terms of CSR, we've been working with an agency called the Retail Agency, mainly training Omani job seekers to be ready to work in retail, and it's paid positively in terms of creating a talent pool where all the new brands that are coming to the country can interview and select and hire. I think it's our responsibility to make sure, as the leaders of retail in the country, that we are introducing a very exciting role for Omanis to work and enjoy the experience in working in the shopping mall.
Absolutely, and a very big initiative that it is. Can you also comment on the Omanization targets that you might be hoping to achieve?
So the mall will create more than 3,500 jobs for Mall of Oman. These are direct jobs that we're talking about. Targets, as per the recent law, all jobs and shopping malls for all retail units should be Omanized. So, talking about the long-term target in a couple of years or 3 years, we're going to talk about 100% Oman is working in our shopping malls. And to achieve that target, you need to provide the right training, the right background to make sure that they have the right experience and interaction with our customers and provide the customer service that everyone expects when they come to a mall like Mall of Oman.
Absolutely. Now, is there a message that you want to let out to the people of Oman?
The positive message I would like to talk about Mall of Oman. Mall of Oman is 80% leased. I think there were lots of questions when we opened Mall of Oman and why we don't have all the stores threading from day one. I would just like to remind everyone we are coming from very difficult times in terms of COVID and the restrictions that we were going through in the country. And but having a mall that's 80% leased, that's one of the challenges that has been removed from your side, where you can focus now on opening their stores. So our target and our message to everyone is that you are going to see multiple number of stores opening on a monthly basis, where the experience will keep on changing and elevating as we go. And every visitor that comes to the mall will see the changes from the last visit that they came in. We just opened 9 stores in a matter of 2 weeks. And this will be the trend that will go on in Mall of Oman.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for your time, Mr. Hussam. It was a very interesting interview, and we hope to catch up with you soon.
My pleasure. My pleasure.